Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Recently, I've been seeing this method everywhere online. People are claiming that you can obtain unlimited stars and coins in Disney Solitaire using just your phone, without a PC and without any complicated setup. I'll be honest, I was pretty skeptical at first. It sounded a little too magical to be true. So I decided to test it myself and see if it was actually legit. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and then show you how everything turned out in the end, so you can see if this method really adds a little Disney magic to your game. The first thing you'll need is your player ID. You can usually find this in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. I found mine pretty fast and copied it so I could use it later. Nothing is confusing here, it's a quick and easy step. Next, I opened my phone's web browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should be fine. Then I searched for the site people are mentioning. They've got all kinds of mods and hack tools for popular mobile games. When the page loaded, there weren't any annoying pop-ups or weird redirects. It actually looked clean and normal, which I wasn't expecting. On the site, I searched for Disney Solitaire, and once I found it, I clicked through to the unlimited stars and coins generator. When the page loaded, there were no annoying pop-ups or weird redirects at all. Everything looked clean, simple, and surprisingly normal, which I honestly wasn't expecting. Next, I selected my platform. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option for iOS, which was nice to see. After that, I pasted in my player ID and double-checked that everything looked correct. Once I tapped continue, the site started a short loading process with some smooth animations. Nothing lagged or froze, it all worked smoothly. Then it asked how many resources I wanted. For testing purposes, I chose the maximum amount just to see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars showed different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains exactly what to do, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it actually worked, I jumped back into Disney Solitaire and checked my stars and coins. And just like that, everything was already there. I didn't have to restart the game, it updated instantly, which genuinely surprised me. So based on my test, the method worked just like it was described. The steps were simple, the site was mobile-friendly, and everything was easy to follow as long as you take your time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, leave a comment and tell me how it went. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.